Good morning and welcome to my class for rainwater harvesting system and rooftop harvesting systems. Uh, Today's lecture is derived or based on Tier 2 training of Central Groundwater Department Jaipur in Jalana Institutionals area, Jaipur. So we will see different means of rainwater harvesting as well as rooftop harvesting. So first of all, we have to uh, look what is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is just not to let go waste the rainwater flowing through hills, plains, gullies, nalas, and rivers to the ocean by adopting many systems such as contour bunding, V-trenching, earthen check dams, ECD, anicuts, medbandi, percolation tanks. Percolation tanks means uh, some short duration storage of water which may let the water go into the ground, and farm ponds. Then the term stopping water of farm in farm and water of village in village means गांव का पानी गांव में और खेत का पानी खेत में. This slogan was famous in Rajasthan, and this slogan was called by Dr. Rajendra Singh, Magsaysay Award winner, and he worked on it, and the rural area of Thanagachi was benefited by this slogan. Now, rooftop harvesting. Rooftop harvesting is just taking the rooftop water and store it for future use in any storage tank, and the spill water or surplus water uh, to use this surplus water to recharge the groundwater reservoir. So the sources of this presentation are based on CGWD Jaipur and Mukhyamantri Jal Swavlamban Abhiyan, which was powered, which was uh, performed in Tier 2 training of Central Groundwater Department. Now, what's the problem? You can see in this picture, this is the problem to be sorted out. This scene is common, Rajasthan Registani scene. There's no grass, leaves, no vegetation, no greenery at all. And these conditions are of severe droughts condition. No green fodder is there, no flora fauna, and no food grain, no drinking water, and no water for irrigation, means dark zones. And most of 80% districts of Rajasthan are dark zone. You can see the high drought frequency in Rajasthan. The red area, you can see the red areas. In every 3 years, there's once a drought. In yellow area, in every 4 years, once a drought. In red area, pink area, once in 5 years a drought, and in blue, sky blue, once in 6 years, and green, once in 8 years. There's drought. Only solution is rainwater harvesting because no any other source is there in Rajasthan, and for solving this severe problem, only rainwater harvesting is the perfect solution. So in rainwater harvesting, what we do, we make some small structures, kacha and pakka type, both type structures we make in the area, and we utilizes the rainwater. First of all, we make conturband or V trench. At contour level, we make these contour lines, contour trenches or burns, so that the water may stay there for a short while, and the groundwater may recharge, and the moisture in soil may retain for a long time. Then second is Anicut. This is equipment which is used in uh, more slopy areas or hilly areas where water pocket is less, but because of more slope, the most of water is going running downstream side. Then this structure is most beneficial because earthen structures will not stay uh, in these areas. Then next structure is MPT, mini percolation tanks. We may store water for a short while just for percolating it into the ground or infiltrating into the ground. Earthen check dams, again, if there's a water pocket, we make earthen check dam. And even for mini percolation tank or major percolation tank or major storage of water, these earthen check dams are prepared. The next structure is farm pond. Farm pond is just a pond digged in a plain land or farm where soil is dune sand. Sandy soil is there, no water bearing strata is at all present there. Then we dig this farm, this pond in farm, and we make it watertight, or we make it water seal with help of a polyfilm, and we stores water for irrigation purpose when required. The next is rooftop harvesting. The government of Rajasthan has uh, passed an order in each and every house having the plot area up to or more 500 square yards is necessary to make rooftop harvesting structure. In this, we collect the rooftop water of the house, and first of all we store it as much as possible for future use, and then we let it go into the ground for recharging the underground reservoir so that the water may be utilized in future. So first of all, the first structure was contour bund. You can see this is the contour bund, and this is stopping the water upstream side for a short while, and the water will percolate in the ground and the ground will be recharged, so that moisture in soil will increase and the soil erosion will also reduce, and the green cover and moisture in soil will increase. You can see in this picture with mechanical means these contour trenches are prepared, and for a short while the water will stay in these trenches, and many seeds may grow, green cover will increase, moisture in soil will increase, and ultimately our purpose will be solved, that water will percolate into the ground and the green cover will be increased. Now the next structure was Anicut, and this Anicut is in Kekadi, Ajmer. You can see water pocket upstream side, the water is stored here, but this amount is very less. But no, doesn't matter, because this water will stay here for a short while, but it will recharge the groundwater, and the green cover will increase due to the moisture in soil, and this will make level the surface, because the soil silting will be there, and the upstream side on the Anicut there will be silting, and the ground may be plain, and we can utilize it for agriculture also. Now come to the next structure. It is MPT People Khoot, which is in Pratapgarh district. You can see this earthen check dam here. Water is stored upstream side, and this water will increase the moisture in soil, and flora and fauna or green cover will increase definitely, and it will recharge the underground reservoir. Now you can see ECD, earthen check dam, which is in Khandela Sikar. Here you are looking at this structure, this and this. This is a tunnel through the earthen check dam for safeguard of this check dam, because if more water will come or more rainfall will be there, then the water will overtop this earthen check dam and it will break it. So for safety of this earthen check dam, we have utilized this structure. This is a spillway. The water above this structure will go inside and it will safely go down stream side without failing the structure. And the storage of water will definitely recharge the underground water, and the moisture in soil will retain for a long time, and definitely it will increase the green cover and vegetation. Now look at this MPT mini percolation tank. It is in Rajsamand district, and you are looking the earthen check dam, which is storing some water here. Definitely some water will percolate or infiltrate into the ground, will increase the underground water, and this is the spillway safely flowing the excess water without breaking the earthen check dam, and the structure will be safe due to this spillway. Now the next structure is farm pond. This is prepared by a farmer in his farm in Makrana, Nagaur. This is the farm pond in a plain area farm. The water inlet is there. You can look here. This is water inlet. Water from upstream side or collectively water is coming to this farm pond, and you can see this black color. This is polyfilm or the impervious cover, so that the water should retain for a long time in this farm pond. So this water may be utilized in the required period or required time for irrigation purpose. Okay, these are in Pundraka, Panchayat Samiti Kishangarh Alwar, and this is also village Podara, Panchayat Samiti Kishangarh Alwar. These are earthen check dams, and you can see the water storage in these, and ultimately this water will go inside the ground surface and increase the water in underground reservoirs, and definitely the flora and fauna will increase and green cover will increase, and this will benefit to making our environment better. Now come to the route of water harvesting. So you can look here. This is a very simple rooftop water harvesting system. You can see this is rooftop, and this is a water. This is a pipe through which the water is coming to this point. Here we have provided a washout here, and another this is inlet to the filter. So while first rain is coming, at that time we open this washout valve, so and closes this inlet water valve, so that the dirt and the other materials or waste water goes outside, and only while the clean water is there, then close this and open this valve. The clean water will go to the filter. This is filter. You can see this is filter pit, and this is a sponge filter. We have provided a sponge seat inside this filter, and the water through a sponge or clear water will go to the storage tank, and you can see here a hand pump fitted in this tank. You can utilize the water of this storage tank, and here you can see a overflow pipe is there, and through this overflow pipe we have connected this recharging pit or the soak pit or percolation tank. So excess water goes to this percolation tank or recharge pit or soak pit. So the excess water goes into the ground and increases the underground reservoir level. Now we are taking a live example of rooftop harvesting structure at CGWB and GWD campus Jaipur, which is in Jalana institutional area Jaipur. So these are the dimensions of that water harvesting system. You can see one recharge tube well of 47.5 meter depth, two reservoirs of dimension 5.5 into 2 into 1.25 meters, and one silting pit for deposition of the dirt, and one filter pit of dimension 1.6 by 1.1 by 1.5 meters, and one filter pit chamber of dimension this much, and one recharge tube well of dimension 2.2 into 2.6 into 4.3 meters, because we have made there a soil filter. The system was completed in year 2000, and the total cost of the system was 3.96 lakhs. So you can see the drawings of the system. This is the earlier drain which was provided earlier, upper, and this lower is the new drain prepared for this groundwater rooftop water recharging system. So this drain lets the water in first tank, and the first tank is settling tank. Then the water comes to the second reservoir, which is more settled or clean or clear water, and then it goes to filter, then it goes to the recharge tube well, and here again we have made a soil filter there, and the clear water goes inside the tube well. And this is piezometric well here, which is just for study or the survey of the water level increased or decreased underground reservoir. So this is the typical drawing, and you can see the cross section that was planned, and this is the cross section of the drawing. After the filter, this filter pit and the clear water goes into the recharge well. Here you can see the soil filter here, and this is recharge well, and this tube is there inserted in the recharge well just for escaping the air from the tube well. And this is a graph prepared based on the daily report, daily basis. This is the time date wise, and this is the water level plotted, and you can see the graph. The water level increases or decreases accordingly the rainfall occurs. And these are the silent features of the RWHS at GWD Jaipur. You can see or you can utilize these silent features. These are the tanks prepared. This is the total runoff area 1050 square meters, and total runoff 26.77 cubic meter per hour. And for this much discharge, this is appropriate structure, or it can absorb this discharge. And the total cost of the water recharged, unit cost of the water recharge comes out to be 3.5 paisa per liter. So my presentation is completed, and this is all about rooftop harvesting and the rainwater harvesting structures. So if any question or query, you may ask me personally. Thank you.